My name is Johnny. Well, I almost said Johnny Epic. My name is Johnny Hernandez, and welcome to Epic Auto Detailing. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in for our first episode of Epic Auto Detailing. Every week we'll release a video of, how to run a successful shop. There's a lot of how-to videos on how to detail, how to clean, how to do that. But there isn't how to actually run a successful shop in a business, part of it. We'll be, hopefully teach you guys how to do all that and, have fun as well. Okay, so guys, this is our office right here. We got Crystal. She manages our phone calls, email scheduling. And we got Jamie over here. She's our shop manager, office manager. She handles all our bookkeeping, finances, and all that stuff that I don't got to worry about.
These are our customer check-in forms. Customer fills out all of their information in the highlighted sections. And they even have a section where they can put customer notes, like anything specific that they're worried about. Maybe they spilled some milk in the back seat or their baby threw up, stuff like that. And then we have our lovely service agreement with all our terms and conditions.
Make sure we don't get sued. And then after people check in, we go outside and check out the car, take pictures. You ever take pictures of it? Okay. So, interior detail? It's a full detail. As you can see, it's not that bad. For a full detail, we do the whole inside and out, even the door jambs, so you can see how dirty all the door jambs are. All this will be all clean, brand new. Blow everything out, all the hairs, if there's any hairs, all the nooks and crevices and everything will get completely cleaned out. Gas jam gets cleaned out. Same with all this. You can see how dirty that is. That's from just neglect, People don't wash they only wash the outside, they don't wash door jams, and all this can mess up your clear coat. All the in-between emblems and stuff, they'll be all like clean and stuff, so you can't tell what's dirty and stuff like that. Same with around here, all the edges. See how there's stuff is built up in there. That's why people are not pressure washing the edges thoroughly and cleaning it. They just run it through a car wash and expect it to be clean. And look at that. All that moss just up here hiding. People don't really see that. That can eat away. Same with that right there, you can see on the railing, all that. People don't understand how this can ruin the paint. But they bring it to us and we'll take care of it. So this is our next project coming in, and then we have that truck as well. Let's go ahead and check out the guys that are working. All right, so we got Jorge, he's my partner in the business, so we're working it out. And we got Jake doing the customer car. And we got over there, we got Blaine working on another car. We have another employee that's out right now, he's sick. So let's go check out what Blaine's going on over here. All right, so this is full interior detail with ozone. This customer claimed that a bunch of smoke smell here, so we're gonna go ahead and take care of the smoke smell. They just got the car. All right, so this other car we did it last week, but our customer complained that the seats weren't wet when we shampooed it, which is weird because we always dry everything up for the client. So we're redoing it for her to make her happy, and it's kind of dumb, but we gotta do what we gotta do to make the client happy. So how do you feel how clients bring back the car because it's not wet seats? Tell the camera.
They can bring it back as many times as they want, but
They're not,
they're not going to get a wet seat. I don't mind people bringing back their vehicles. If you have a problem with it, we'll fix it. If your issue is that your seat wasn't wet, I don't know what you want me to do.
Get it? So we have our wash going on right now. What we do pretty much, we spray everything down, degreaser, acid, and then we rinse everything off. We clean the wheels, wheel wells, wheel barrels, and then we wash it with our hand bucket. Right here, we got 2-bucket system. For the third one for tires and all that. And then after we wash it thoroughly, we rinse it off, and then we do the edges, how we're doing right now. How we're doing right now, all the edges with the acid. So all the edges and stuff will be, nice and clean, all black and all that stuff that's inside of it, and we clay bar it.
I'm going to tell you, this is the most important part in getting your car prepped for a polish or buff. It gets all the imperfections, iron fallout, and any embedded road grime that's between the pores of your paint. And that was just cleaned. This car was just cleaned. Brand new clay bar.
You do think they're ugly.
You see that one more time?
And
What? Getting an Evo? An evolution?
oh my god, evolution?
Is that an evolution? Baru.
Alright, so here we have this interior detail we got going on. As you can see, it's very dirty. Okay. And then we got some crazy stuff, like we even got bullets. We'll put that back when we're done, that's for sure. And usually we just got the customer stuff, put it somewhere else for now. Alright guys, so right here we have the really nasty interior you guys just saw of this. I think it's a work truck, I believe. So I'll show you guys how to quickly clean the mats. This is how the way we do it, you know, there's different ways. So what I use is pretty much the drill with like the toilet cleaner brush, what they call it. We have a tornadoer as well, and then we have the extractor at the end. And we steam clean it afterwards as well. So I'll go ahead and start on it. All right, so pretty much our process for the interior cleaning, you know, all this big stuff needs to be vacuumed up first, and then we use the air to get all the crevices and stuff. And we use the brush again to get all the little stuff stuck inside the carpet, and then we vacuum again, and then we air again. It's a whole process. It's not just a vacuum in the car. People think it's just vacuum in the car, but it's really not. And then over here we got dealership cars waiting. This is for Cascade Motors. And then this is for Western Kia. We do everything from the engine bay, polish it, full interior, everything for them. As you can see, we gotta deal with this type of stuff all the time. So this is pretty much like a trade-in car. So the customer came and traded in their car, upgraded it, and now we gotta deal with all their nasty stuff they left behind. But yeah, that's pretty much what we do here. You know, we do detailing, window tint, clear bar protection, ceramic coating, paint correction, all that shit. Right here, this is our window tint area where we have our peel board for window tint. And then over here we have our film. We use Edge and we use our Ceramic Pro. And then we have our plotter that cuts out everything from, you know, the patterns to the front bumper, fender, hood, headlights to window. So yeah, go ahead and give us a like, comment, subscribe, and then we'll see you in the next one.